In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a brand new Instagram account. So let's get started right away. Now, all you basically want to do is click on the three stripes on the top right corner. Then you want to click on settings. And once you're in the settings, you want to scroll down. And at the bottom, it says login info, add account, and log out. And obviously, you want to click on add account. So click on there. And now it will ask you to log into an existing account or create a new one. Now, since you clicked on this video, you want to know how to create a new one. So that is what we are going to do. So click on there, and here you want to select a username. So go ahead and choose one. So I just chose a random username, so I'm going to click on next. Here you want to choose a password. Once you've chosen that, you want to click on next again. And here it says welcome to Instagram, and then your username. We'll add this email address from your existing account to this account. If you want that, this means that when you log into your regular account, you will also log into this account. If you don't want that, then you can add a new phone number or email address. And that is something that I want to do. So that's what I'm going to click on. And here you want to either go ahead and choose a phone number or an email address. I like to do an email address, so that's what I'm going to do. You have to click on next. Then you will probably get an email in your email box, and you'll just have to click on this link and say confirm your account or something like that usually, right? And then you basically have your account. That's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.